are trying out this air fryer for the very first time. In fact, we just got through cooking with it. We're pretty impressed here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on and show you the controls. So we press the button, you can see how it lights up. And there's all the different options across the top for air fry, rotisserie, and so forth. So you just advance that to where you want it to be. We're going to go back to air fry. We'll just kind of demonstrate it. We've got it on air fry. You can set the temperature. Just simple as that. Press a button and the time. And we'll just stop it right there. And all you do is press start. And there it goes. You can see the light turns on. It's quieter than most of them I've seen. Also, it doesn't get nearly as hot to the touch as a lot of them I've seen. So this really looks nice. The big question is, how well does it do? So we're going to stop it right now. We're going to open the door and we'll take a look and see what we've got. We've got some amazing chicken breasts that just got through cooking. Oh, these look so good. I'm impressed with this. This is nice.
This is my second day using this air fryer, but I can't figure out why it non-stop beeps and the light flashes on and off. Sometimes it'll speed up, sometimes it'll act like it's going to stop and then it'll start up again. If anyone has any ideas, please let me know how to solve this problem.
See right there, the 8 is just blinking, so the time is not going down. I have to pause it, go down and up, or the other way around, and press start again. And now it works. Very annoying.